Hey guys, Camilo here from Trending Waves, bringing you to our end of the market update for Tuesday, July the 13th of 2021. So we had the CPI data come out this morning at 8:30, and despite of fears of inflation, okay, because it's now looking like it's contradicting what Powell has been saying in regards to it being transitory, the markets managed to knock out a little bit of new all-time highs again. So the SPY, the Qs, the Dow also, and this all falls in line with what we have been interpreting. This falls in line with what we've been outlining here in our channel, okay, and that is that we are looking for more highs, further highs. I mean, it's evident that based on this wave structure that's what's to come. So the SPY here, okay, so the highs of the day was 437.83, and now we're seeing a brief pullback. I'm not too concerned as to this being the top of the -degree wave 3 that a lot of people have been calling for, or the top of the market. I still feel and I still see that this there's more continuation. There's a little bit more gas. Maybe towards the end of this month we'll see the larger pullback, but who knows. The way I'm interpreting this and the way I'm seeing this is that, okay, so if we top today on the wave 3, as you see here in this wave count in the orange degree, okay, we're gonna see a 3-wave progression into the wave 4, which could come in at 432.30 or 428.92, which is obviously our two key fib levels that we always watch. All right, so let's just quickly review this. So coming out from the May highs, right, we go down in A, up in B, down in C to 38.2% retracement support. Up in 1, we found new highs, rejected it down into the wave 2, 50% retracement support. So we broke above it, we gapped up, just hover ever so slightly above it, or below it rather, and then we kept on going higher. Now, the way I'm viewing this, guys, is that I see a clear 5-wave progression, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. So wave 3 has finished. We surpassed the 100% extension of wave 1 compared to wave 2. Okay, we went just slightly above it. So that tells me that if, all right, this major resistance that we created stays true, then we should see a 3-wave pullback into the wave 4 to these levels. Now, if by any chance we continue going higher, because obviously, as I mentioned yesterday, wave 3s at the very least has to be the 100% extension or equal to the wave 1, but it can go longer, it can go higher, right? It can go all the way up to the 1618, the 200, the 2618, whichever. Depending on how aggressive the market is and the sentiment is for the current environment. So anything between the 1618 and 100 is pretty much valid from an Elliott wave standpoint for the wave 3. Now I'm taking this I'm operating on the assumption that wave 3 has completed, and now we're going to see a 3-wave pullback. Okay, so again, let me repeat the levels to watch coming into tomorrow. If we continue seeing further rejection from the all-time highs, 432.30 is not out of the question, and then we see the bounce. Upside resistance will be all-time highs 437.83, and then we'll look to target 449.28 should we break higher. All right, taking you over to the Qs. The Qs is suggesting that coming out of this beautiful triangle, okay, in the wave 4 in the -degree, down in A, up in B, down in C, down up in D, down in E, wave 4 in the -degree, we broke out, right? We went up in 1, down in 2, 5-wave substructure into the wave 3, ABC pullback into the wave 4, and now we're looking on higher into the wave 5 of the wave 5 in the -degree. Let's dissect this for a second real quick. Let me highlight this for you, and let's see where we are within the wave structure here. What can we count here, and if this could be true. Let's take you down to the 15-minute time frame. All right, now remember, from the post triangle, right, on the wave 4, we went up in 1, down in 2. The substructure between wave 2 and wave 3 is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right, so beautiful substructure there, is clear as day. And now we go down in A, up in B, down in C to the wave 4 at the 38.2% retracement support. Now, the structure here, or the way I'm looking at this, guys, is that we went up in 1, down in 2, 5-wave progression to the wave 3. We made new highs. This was today, okay, for the CPI data, and then we sold off. Now, I think what this is going to happen is that the markets will digest this interpretation, will digest what happened today. Tomorrow is Powell. He's speaking against Congress. I'm not sure the time. I think it's the usual 2:30 or 2 o'clock. But the way I'm looking at this is that we made first a wave, B wave, and now we may see a smaller pullback, right? And that could fall anywhere between the 38 and the 50% retracement support, even at the 618. All right, if that's the case, then we have to look for these levels, right? 362 spot 27 all the way down to the 360 spot 36. So now when we find support here, okay, when we find support at these three levels, anticipate a rally all the way up to what appears to be the 618 or the 100% extension to the wave 5 to complete the wave 1, at which point, once this wave is complete, we can look to target the wave 2 pullback and take advantage for an upside trade into the wave 3 and take us into the final leg of this minor degree wave structure. All right, guys, so I think this was pretty brief, pretty quick. Okay, thank you guys for watching. If you want to join the Discord group, the link is down in the description, in the comments section. Okay, we're running a 14-day free trial. Give it a try, and hopefully I'll see you guys there. Alternatively, subscribe to the channel, smash the like button, hit that bell button so you'll be notified when I upload these videos. As always, I thank you for your time and have a good night.